Hello, my name is Jerrel Dulay. I run Sungrand Studios, developer of the Silver Falls games. In the past, I've worked in other industries as a technology consultant, event organizer, and public speaker. I've shipped numerous titles across Nintendo platforms and even worked with Nintendo to launch the very final games for the Nintendo Wii U and 3DS. Now, the topic we are discussing today is how Unity has announced changes which are destructive to the industry as a whole. I've been apprehensive to discuss this topic, and my justification for doing so now is that I have worked in industries and witnessed firsthand the irreversible damage these kind of self-profit driven decisions will inflict. This topic requires measured and concise language, which is factual and not inflammatory. For years, there have been escalating issues with the Unity business and the Unity engine as a whole. In short, the Unity engine has been an insufficient product for developers. The Unity engineers who develop the engine are not to blame. The cause of the issue is leadership. Business decisions with Unity come down to the CEO, which has resulted in the casualization of the game engine and a focus on monetization, while the basic functions of the engine remain borderline non-functional or non-functional entirely. So what does this mean? This means that as new versions of Unity are rolled out, core basic functions which developers need are not fixed or improved, and instead the engine is made easier for inexperienced developers to quickly roll out games with very little experience and effort so that they can rely on monetization. What is worse is that the engine is not being allowed to pioneer technologies which benefit the end users, and it's not driving the industry forward into the future. Unity is stuck in a self-serving loop of monetization. Who is this video for? I'm creating this video for fellow Unity users and game developers and my fellow gamers. What can you do to make the Unity situation better? Nothing. The end result is that Unity will become an unviable solution for developers if it keeps moving in this direction with its current CEO. So my call to action to my fellow developers: stop using Unity and move to an engine that is run with a CEO who has the video game industry's best interests as one of their priorities. Unless the CEO of Unity steps down, Unity will continue to focus on monetization over everything else. To my fellow gamers, find the developers with whom you connect, who makes games you enjoy, and continue to support those developers. Over the next few years, you will find developers going through difficult development periods while they take time to switch to new game engines. Be supportive and patient, especially with smaller developers who have less resources. And finally, my personal message to all of you: keep calm, continue to enjoy the games you enjoy, and don't be afraid. Change can be frightening, but sometimes change is what you need to make things better. There is no reason to be angry about the Unity situation. When developers stop using Unity, they'll switch to a different game engine, but they'll still continue making games for you. Support each other, support the developers you believe in, and in the event that autosave is turned off, don't forget to save your game. Thank you.